I'm Tess Layton, the market leader for Movement Mortgage in Rhode Island and Western Mass. It's this obsession with efficiency. What we've done over the years and continue to do, especially in a downturn, is look at what we can do better. Building up people and making sure that they're doing things that make them happy every day is something that I'm really, really passionate about.
Everybody has the same common goal, pulling in the same direction, and that makes it really unique and special.
So Movement Mortgage's mission statement is we exist to love and value people by leading a movement of change in our industry, corporate cultures, and communities.
What has made Movement Mortgage #1 this year is the people.
People over profit. You can do anything you want and be anything you want in life as long as you work for it.
Because here we're all a family. I'm a big family guy. I lean on my people lean on me.
We set the example of how to do the business the right way.
Knowing that I'm going to be part of the biggest financial transaction of their lives, it's a great honor to me.
I feel grateful that we're able to create that impact on people where they pass our names on and we can continue to provide that value to others.
One of my reasons for coming to Movement and why I believe we're like #1 is we have so many talented loan officers that think outside the box.
We're #1 because I think we truly care. We care about the process, we care about the people.
Being #1 isn't just about statistics, it's about the residuals that come with that and the profits that, to me, being #1, because we are an impact lender.
They do exactly what they say they're going to do every single time. Everybody's always willing to help.
I truly enjoy helping people. My whole family growing up was firefighters, EMTs, police officers. Movement seemed like a great fit for that.
My community, after I help them, I just become a new family member to them.
I'd really love to thank every person that I've worked with.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you to them.
Thank you.
Thank you to our referral partners.
Thank everybody.
Big thank you.
Thank you to all.
Thank you so much for allowing me to do what I love to do over the last 6 years.